Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to capture Wallpaper Engine on OBS. The first thing I want you to do is open up Wallpaper Engine, and then I want you to identify the wallpaper that you want to capture on OBS, right click on it, and then I want you to go ahead and hover over plain window and click here on a maximize preview. That will actually open up a pop-up like this, and what I want you to do is go ahead and click on your OBS. Come here and click on the plus icon to add a source, and then what we will do is add a game capture source. You can name this whatever you want, for example Wallpaper Engine, but I'll just click here on OK, and then here it says mode. So I want you to change this to capture specific window, and now here you choose the window. So we'll go ahead and choose the Wallpaper Engine pop out, and then just make sure you allow transparency, hook rate, change it to fastest, and then click here on OK. Now what you do is you just go ahead and right click on a game capture, and then I want you to go ahead and hover over transform and click on stretch to screen. Now Wallpaper Engine will be capturing that, and since I'm actually recording the video to show you, what I'll do is quickly toggle off my display capture, and as you can see it's actually capturing just the wallpaper. Now I can just turn this back on, and it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.